Look at this. We ordered this on Wednesday from Amazon. Today's Friday. We got it this afternoon. I don't think it was supposed to be here this quick. Anyway, what's inside this box that's already for Christmas is a backpack, DVD, and what's it called? A lightning to SD card reader. So let's open this thing up. Have a look and see what's in here. Make sure it's all here. And you see what it's all about here. You cut right through everything and cut it up, right? Not the right knife, is it? Oh dear. Be careful. There. Okay. What's in here? Look at that. Airbags. Just like your car for safety. That is a backpack. I guess you pronounce that Zomake. Joy of life. Look at that. The joy of life. So a whole backpack in this little box. We're going to open that up later. And this is so I can take my videos from my camera, SD card, and run it through to my iPad or my phone. And neat little device from Amazon. It was like $22 Canadian. You see right there, it takes the mini SD card and the regular SD card. So I've got like 1,000 pictures on my camera I want to put on my iPad that aren't on my iPad, so that's going to be neat. And this movie, it only showed in very few cinemas locally to us. It came out last year. I really wanted to see it because I think it's going to bring back some memories of something we did 30 years ago this winter. And that was, we packed everything up, closed up our business, sold the house, paid off any bills, bought a motorhome, and boom, we hit the road. That's not what these guys did. They're old. Well, I wasn't old then. And this movie right here, The Leisure Seeker. Yeah. Okay. And sounds like it could be a good movie. I'm going to watch it. I'm going to find out, but not tonight. It's kind of late. Anyway, we're going to check this out later. We're going to see how this works. And we're going to open this all up. This backpack, lightweight, nylon backpack, waterproof. And it's going to be great because you can pick this thing. It's going to be just the right size that you can take it and stash it underneath your seat in your airplane and it'd be your personal item, which is kind of cool, eh? I can open it now. Yeah. I'll open it now. Now. There it is. But I'm not going to open it right up. I just wanted to have a look at it. That is.
We will do a review.
Here's a picture of it. And let's see if it looks like that when we get it all open. Alrighty, we'll catch you later.